Big Bo takes care of the board. Norwood forward pass. Three-pointer delivered here. Pangalawa na yan para kay JV Mocon.
Talk about working on your game partner. 2-for-2 from the outside, JV Mocon after a game wherein he seemed to really sag in the shaded area dahil defensive player nga siya. Naiiwanan niya itong si Bo Berga sa pass.
Isahan ni Japet si Bo sa magkakataon na yan. Dalawa pa rin ang abante ng Rain or Shine. Coach Caloy wants to talk things over with his squad. Pandemic, even before they went into the bubble, and as they were in the bubble already, Pringle gets a layup. Si Aljon Mariano daw talagang grabe pinapakita sa ensayo. Very impressed sila sa hard break na ginawa.
Sipag talaga nadadaan sa sipag. Stanley po pwede gawin sa Rain or Shine kasi galing dumipensa eh.
Aranya ran into trouble somehow, some way. Aranya, naipasok yan. 22-19, Raven Shine's lead is 3. Last shot time. Aranya on the move, goes to the spin, leaves it for Jewel. The jump hook is good.
Grabe yung contribution din na ito ni Jewel Pagtarada. Very steady in the post.
Japet hands it off. Pringle gets to the baseline. Reverse is good.
Alam mo yung R2 button para lang magkaroon ng turbo, parang pinindot dun sa pagkakataon na yun.
Napunta kay Scotty. Japet, short step. That's good.
Grabe, ganda ng mata ni LA doon. Nakita niya kagad doon. Flashing ito si Japet. And those things that you
Nambata hands it off. Shovel pass to Borboran. Nice decision.
get
On the part of Mocon.
a very rare fast break attack by Rain or Shine. That's their 5th point, and they're averaging 6. Former teammates.
Uh-oh. Barangay Ginebra tearing it up in this third quarter. JDV flip shot is good. Hindi naluluma yung gano'n ni Joe.
May quick release na jump shot, pero may quick release na hook shot. Itong si Joe Defense. Good sign for Rain or Shine. And here's another fast break attempt by Rain Ambata.
Finally, a field goal para kay Stingray.
Wow!
Fourth quarter, time to go to work para kay Nambata.
Sinukat yung depensa ng Ginebra sa fast break. He saw and he conquered. Take a look at that.
Mocon bounces to Bo. Belga forces his way through.
This guy's really giving Japet Aguilar a nightmare in the paint.
9 points, 8 rebounds na para dito kay Big Bo. Si Nambatak fighting through that Japet pick. Mariano given that space. Puts it up and in. And he's got a bonus coming up.
Aljon Mariano very calmly after receiving the pass in the high post.
Titira rito. Tenorio for 3. Bang! LA with what might just be the dagger. Naamoy na ng Ginebra.